Hi, this is the procedure and everything to do a BrainPaint webinar through your BrainPaint computer. The first thing we'll need to do, if you've not already connected your computer to the internet, see this little icon down here. It's with the little cell phone looking bars on it down the lower right corner of your screen by the Windows clock. We left click on that and we just single left click. You should see there your Wi-Fi list of different wireless connections in your area, or you could plug in one of those thick phone looking cords. They're called an Ethernet. If you have your computer's hardwired, you could plug that into the only telephone looking port in your computer, and that would connect your computer to the internet. Then the next thing you would do is, we see this icon on the desktop of your computer. It says webinars. If you do not have that icon on your webinar, we just need to get the latest update from BrainPaint. So we double left clicked on the BrainPaint icon. We'll hit the start session button like that, and in a moment we'll see our client list, and there's an advanced way to get to the advanced options from our client list. It'll say to double right click on any client file for advanced options. Ordinarily we would double left click to open a client file, but I'll show you where it tells us to do this. It says double right click for advanced options or double left click to open a client file. So I'm going to double right click on any client file, and this is again just how we would get the latest update. That we put that icon on your desktop, and here it says get the latest update. You would just click that and it would download and install. It takes about 5 minutes to download and install the update. Alright, and then that will put the webinars icon on your desktop. So the next thing you do is you just double left click. Once the webinar is running, it'll actually often look like this on the screen. You won't be able to see the chat dialog. You'll just be able to see and hear everything that I'm doing. But to get to your chat box and the controls, see the little arrows here on the right side of the screen, the little blue arrows. You can just single left click on those. And now to chat, we can click on the chat button like that, and that opens up a little question. And so I'm here to, and then we click send down here, and that sends the questions. There'll be so much audio feedback often and noise in the background that we'll need to ask our questions through the chat box. To turn your own video on, we can click the little video camera here, and that will allow us to turn your video on and off. And that is it. If you needed to, if you wanted to change your own name, we could. It'll automatically default to a name. If we click on your name that it had logged you in under, and it says edit name, we just type in here our name and hit enter like that, and now it's changed our name. Okay, that is all there is to it. Look forward to seeing you there.